Right now, former President Donald Trump is sounding off on his mounting legal battles. Overnight, a federal court gave the Justice Department permission to resume reviewing classified documents found at Mar-a-Lago. And there's fresh fallout from New York's Attorney General filing a lawsuit against Trump and his children. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest from Washington.
In a setback for former President Trump, a federal appeals court unanimously ruling the Justice Department can once again use the classified documents seized from his Florida estate as part of its criminal investigation that reverses a lower court's order. In a Fox News interview recorded before the decision, the former president again insisting he had declassified everything.
If you're the president of the United States, you can declassify just by saying it's declassified, even by thinking about it.
One leading Senate Republican today casting doubt on that.
I think there's a process for declassifying documents, and I think it ought to be adhered to and followed.
The appeals court noted the Trump legal team had not presented any evidence about declassifying material. The dozens of highly sensitive records were among more than 11,000 government documents the FBI recovered from Mar-a-Lago.
These are documents that are about the national defense and are in no way personal records of his, and that defeats any claim he has to recovery or possession of these documents.
The former president also blasting a separate investigation into his business practices after New York Attorney General Letitia James announced she was suing Mr. Trump for fraud, accusing him and his three oldest children of lying about the value of assets to secure better loans and tax rates. The former president dismissing it as politically motivated.
She said, we're going to get him. That her whole campaign was based on that. And then she came after us.
Eric Trump posted this video showing James vowing to sue the former president even before she was elected. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.